We have many other people here. Maybe it's just good for me to recognize them. We have ministers in our midst. We have Minister Amina here. Tumpigie makofi. We have Minister Mutahi Kagwe, as you have heard. We have Balala, at least has spoken there. We have a native of this county, Minister Sicily. We have Asante sana. And then I don't know whether we have any PSS here. CASs, we have CASs here. CAS. Nyagah, mpige makofi. And CAS. My sister Chepi Kilimo. Sorry about this Barakoa business. You know, you can't notice anybody. Sorry. And then we have members of parliament from this county. We have senator first. Njeru Ndwiga. Mzee wetu huyo. And then we have members of parliament. And I think I saw Moses Kuria. Moses Kuria is there. And Sabina Chege, sorry. And of course, the Attorney General Emeritus, Amos Wako.